Hello, ladies and gentlemen, how you all going? My name's Skaterboy, and in this video, I used the QBZ. It's absolutely insane. Guys, I'll show you the loadout quickly. We're gonna go agency suppressor off the bat. 15.5-inch task force barrel. It's crazy. Axial arms 3 times sight. You can change that to whatever you feel like. 60-round fast mag. You can use the fast mag, not just the standard mag, as it doesn't reduce the ADS speed of the gun. Field edge and grip for that recoil control, of course. We're gonna jump straight into the video, guys. Hope you like it. Catches. I cracked one, but I had to bail. I'm under you. I cracked one. There's 2 on that building. What went over there, man? Watch out.
Yeah, he didn't break.
They're gonna be coming out of that building, though.
Nervous.
He's peeking left side. Oh my god, he's got me down through the wall. Running back. He's trying to get a shot. I'm inside. Trying to get some plates, man.
One's left, one on the street, yeah.
Trying to just get inside, man. I need plates. Still need more plates. Dachi, let's go. You need plates?
Yeah, if you got anything.
Armor here.
Someone's on this blue building, bro. Someone's sniping at me. I just killed one.
One's on bank. Can't.
I went ghost. I had a QBZ, so... sorry, I had a...
I could have left you down there.
yeah, just stuck me.
RTB for resupply.
He's in front of me right now. He's right in front of me.
One jumped the fence.
Yeah, this is... I'm after this one. There's 2 here.
Taking shots, bro.
Got them both.
Yeah. Somebody just jumped in the car just then.
Someone's actually beat... Oh, someone coming in now probably for it. Enemy soldier incoming.
I broke his legs.
No. Yeah, he's just there somewhere, yeah. He broke his legs.
Broke his legs.
Alright, just hold it out. His teammate might come for him. Yeah, I can hear his teammate to my right. Got him. Oh, bro, that was the ultimate bait, man. Oh, bro.
That poor dude,
Gas mask. He was running for his teammate. Hey, bro, that was me. This is me right here, done full damage all the time. 1 contact in the middle. Don't know if his state's ghosted, though.
Might be loady.
No, he just
ghosted.
Oh, they've just seen me. I'm wrecked. Damn, man. Building. Yep, window, building. That first one.
You're done here.
MP5 in the blue, right?
You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. Stand by for redeploy.
I'm gonna wait for silent because he's already got this loadout, which means it will disappear if I get it. But if he gets back from this fight, we're able to he can get ghost off the bat again.
Teammate has been cleared for
Which you did. I'm gonna let you get this loadout first here, man. It's all for you, brother. Because I couldn't.
No, I think they're pushing towards the end now.
Okay, I'm gonna get in front of him slightly.
Let's head for the
I'm gonna get like on this blue building.
Got it.
Primary objective accomplished. All supply boxes found.
Remove your ping when you can.
Enemy UAV
I don't want to
overhead.
get smashed from behind from fire, man. But
There was teaming before. They just rotated in the truck.
they're just here. They're squatting. Downed one. I think we should hit armor. Hitting armor.
Where at?
Oh, on the car. Push this team. You go left. I'll go front door. He just
Yeah,
rezzed.
now.
Head in plate.
Behind.
Almost cracked.
Shit, I'm taking fire.
Oh, I'm stunned. No, I can't even.
Victory rests on your shoulders. Finish
I
the
just
mission.
got killed by a dude in Magandaville. He just sitting, chilling, watching us.
Yeah, he's gonna be watching us now here too. I'm gonna snag this, but I'm doing it. Oh, I can't do it.
Annoying, bro.
No, I got stuck in the buy trying to buy some plates. I tried to spam it and it wasn't on the
Are you
right
safe?
thing. I don't know. He was from fire. I'm trying to get behind the house.
There's killing to be done.
We're gonna have to go hard right here. I can't buy plates now. He's gonna be watching that buy. I don't have a gassy.
Oh, no.
I'm so gonna die here, man.
No, bro, he's a bot. He can't hit it. He can't hit it.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard. Enemy UAV overhead.
But in anyways, I guess.
Yeah, we're gonna have
Gas
to.
is closing.
bro.
Get to the new safe zone.
I'm like,
on this first
Enemy
shed.
UAV overhead.
oh, bro, enemy you have too, man. I'm ghosted, but you're not. We could try to get someone just brought back on this buy station to our right here, though.
I'm trying to get it done here, bro.
We could use this truck to get across to this buy station
Buy
over
station
here. Might be a little
identified.
bit more cover. I desperately need plates. Nope, there's people on that buy station. They're over here.
Mark the
I'll
target.
get the truck. You stay there.
We'll try to push for this right-hand side buy here. I feel like this might be people in there, though.
Enemy
Someone's just
soldier
dropped in.
incoming.
Yep. I only got a pistol, bro.
I'll give you this here.
Thank you.
One on
I
beat.
just heard one in there.
One on
pretty
beat.
sure.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to wrap around and try to get plates first. Try to be real quiet here.
Gas is inbound.
One just jumped out.
Might try to buy 2 stacks of plates on this buy station. Two stacks
We're in
of
the
plates on the
safe
buy.
zone.
Stack on me here.
Armor here.
Here's another bit of money to you buy another one if you want.
Fine, I got 3.
These dudes are coming out. Get ready.
Yep. That's all on you behind the buy, at the buy.
Knock that shit off.
Good shit. Yeah, take the stuff to 58.
What's it got? It's got a C58. And a snippy.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I really want a
That's the
close
plate,
range
yeah?
gun.
Marking armor.
I got 5. I don't want to really take that shotty though.
Yeah, take this.
SMG here.
Car 98.
Sniper rifle mark.
You like it?
I think there's
2
on the
boxes
way
over
up.
there. Maybe 3.
Oh no, it's a train.
We could probably rotate for it.
Enemy launched an advanced UAV. We're exposed.
Yep, that's fun.
Enemy vehicle.
Truck over there.
Stone popped in advance.
Yeah, that truck over there is going to be a pain, bro. That truck right there is going to get us killed. Nope, car.
Enemy vehicle.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
light
there's
it
a
up.
guy up here.
I'm going to light it up.
There's a guy. Wait. There's a guy up on the truck.
Dude, he's 1 bullet,
guys,
bro.
For the left, coming from the trainways.
Coming from train. Oh, yep, right down the end, man.
Right behind us.
Motherfuckers.
I just got smashed from both. I just got precision.
Precision, bro.
Watch out, Silent.
This dude's not in the gas.
I don't know where he is, man. I can't see him.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
He has to be in that gas now. Yeah, he's coming.
Hostile.
That's all you. If you come out this way, I can help. I can't help there.
He's rotating. He's rotating.
Yeah, I got him. He only went down. Watch out for his
Shit.
teammate. Watch out for that opposite side. Sniping
Yeah,
you.
yeah, he's on the hill.
Yeah, we're gonna have to move to them though. That's not the
Plates, bro.
problem, bro. You got
Hold on,
plates,
I'm
did
trying to
you?
snipe his ass. Yeah,
Enemy
you release
precision.
them?
Oh, another precision, bro. We're gonna move to that rock.
Try to get to this rock.
Taking shots here. They're on me.
Keep crawling against this wall. Just keep proning. Hopefully someone else fights him. Wait. Have you got a gas mask?
Gas is closing in.
I only got 1 more plate too, man. I'm gonna give you
I
this
got no
money.
plates.
You might be able to snag this buy. We're gonna have to make a run for it, bro. This is gonna be
Let's
very
head for the
risky
safe
here. I
zone.
don't even know if we're gonna make it.
I can try to snipe his ass. There's guys coming from that left side too that we're just getting shot at.
Yep. We're gonna have to move to... This tree is gonna be our only hope here. Back in the back of the truck.
Enemy vehicle.
I gotta move, bro. I got no gas mask.
Less than 5 to go. Bring home the win.
Alright, 3 people. 2 teams, 3 people.
Let's play it out. You wanna rotate hard right up there? This truck's gonna be a pain, man.
Let's just wait for circle.
He just jumped out of the truck.
Gas is closing in.
Back
Relocating.
here?
Yeah.
On this tree. You just went left over that hill.
Negative. Cancel log.
Moving up.
Yep. Can hold this hill. Just clearing out the edge of gas.
Yep. Let's focus this one dude, man. He's gonna be pushing towards us here somewhere. Oh, dude, you just coughed, bro.
I know, I need the guns.
He's right here in front of me. Down.
Got him.
Finished.
Shots, good shots.
2v2, 2v2. 2 different teams.
Everyone-
No,
in the safe
it's 2v1v1.
zone.
Enemy precision airstrike.
You see where
Take
one is?
cover.
Yeah. I gotta move.
Yeah, me too.
Give me a benchmark. Do you know where he is?
Can't see him, bro. This Joker's skin thing. Right here.
Hostile.
He's broken.
No.
Good stuff.
One more.
2v1.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Here, bro. He's
Yeah,
to the
he's-
right. He's to the right.
Yeah. He's got a sniper.
I'll try to get your ping. Right here.
Yeah. He's got a
On
sniper.
that far wall.
Gonna try to get you up.
Don't worry, you'll make it.
Got a daddy.
Gas is closing.
Gas
Get
He's
to
got
the safe
rotation.
zone.
Get ready. He's got rotation. I need AR, bro. I got 20 bullets. Get ready.
Gas is inbound.
A long way to the safe zone. We need to
Let's
move.
rotate.
Left. Right there.
Got him.
Got that bitch.
GG's, man. Let's get the dub. We've got it, Tyler. Woohoo! Let's do it, Silent. My man. First game of the day. Hey, bro, we got the dub, man. That's all that matters, bro. Let's go.
I was just straight saving.
What a
that
game, man. Oh, bro, we were frying, man. GG's, chat. Let's go. Asia with the GG as well. Thank you. Everyone hit that like button. Hit that share. Woohoo! First game of the day, chat. First game of the day. My heart was pounded too, Tyler. It was insane. Tyler with the 2,000 bomb.
G to the G.
Oh my god, Tyler. You're insane. That was an epic challenge and we ended up getting it. Thank you so much, Tyler.
My heart was pounding out of my chest, brother.
Oh, it was.
shit.
Holy shit, man. It was, man. It was insane, bro. Gonna get a hashtag Tyler in the chat for being a
Shit,
legend.
bro. Dub counts. I can leave now.
GG's.
See you later.
Bye, Silent. Catch you later, man.